for his first film role in the film Shambhala. Let's take a look at some of the footage from the film, along with a very special greeting.
Hello everyone in Los-Angeles. I am so happy to receive this award. I spent 2 months in LA with my movie, Shambhala Oscar, and I learned English. I hope I can be in next Kventinom Tarantino film. We had a great meeting.
Accepting the award is the publicist Tatiana de los Film.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for Arthur. I was the Oscar publicist on his movie Shambala, which was the official Oscar entry from Kyrgyzstan, a country you probably don't know, any of you, where it is. It's in Asia. And Arthur is very talented. He was, in this movie, he was, he did an amazing job. He was in every frame of the film. And he received some recognition here in LA too. He was featured by Steve Pond by Rap at the, as among the other actors like Andrew Garfield and Javier Bardem, and he was featured as one of the best performances of the year. So he thanks you from all his heart. Thank you very much. I look like him, but I'm not his mom.